Hey there, everybody. Tom Spiller with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, April 23rd, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P and kind of the main thing that we're paying attention to with this market on a longer time frame, longer term basis, and that is a pennant pattern that we are in, watching for a breakout here. So the main thing we want to see happen is we need to see this thing break outside of this range on the dailies. You can see we have a narrowing range with our pivot highs and lows. So you put a trend line going across the highs and a trend line going across the bottoms, and the trade takes place when we break out of this. That'll give us a longer term bias, whether or not we're going to be bullish or bearish. And as you can see right now, we're just kind of sitting inside compression here, waiting on it to break out. So currently we're coming down from the upper end of the range, heading back down. Now momentum is strengthening a little bit here. It is looking more bullish than it was. However, that being said, we are still price action wise inside this pennant pattern, waiting on this compression to break out. So long term, our bias on the indices is still kind of neutral. We're waiting on this thing to get outside the pennant. Once it breaks out, then we can pick a directional bias. We can say, okay, we expect it to continue to run one way or the other. So be keeping an eye on this. This is the main thing we're paying attention to over the next coming weeks with this crazy volatility that we had and that we're continuing to have in the indices. So be paying attention to that. That's what we're watching for. I will see you in the next video. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.